Hi, to fix overheating issue on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, I have several solutions for you. And firstly, we need to open settings on the phone. From here, find this device care tab and choose battery. After that, you can go in background usage limits and make sure to enable put unused apps to sleep. It's better for the phone, so just enable it by tapping on the switcher and go back. Also, I suggest you to enable power saving mode by tapping it, so it limits background running apps and so on. Also, here you can check that limits CPU speed to 70%, decrease brightness by 10, and you can enable to limit apps and home screen. After that, we can go in battery protection, enable it, and from here choose either adaptive according to a sleep schedule or maximum, so your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%, and this will also help to fix overheating issue and just reloading on a processor. Now in charging settings, make sure to enable fast charging by tapping on the switcher. And now let's go back. So here we will need to choose memory now. And after it checked the memory, we would see this blue button clean now. So you can free up memory by stopping background apps. This will also help to fix overheating issue, and it will also free up some space, so that's a win-win. Now we got no option to clean, and we can also tap on those three lines on the bottom, trigger the resets, and close them like that, so it won't overload the processor of the phone. And now as for devices, disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services when you don't need them. To do this, we'll need to go back in settings. In connections, we can disable Wi-Fi and we can disable Bluetooth. And if we scroll down, we'll find location. And here we can disable location, and also in location services, make sure to disable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning, so it will give you most accurate location, but it drains battery a lot, which leads to overheating. And of course, adjust the screen brightness to a minimum, especially if you're indoors. Avoid using the device with poor or no connectivity. Avoid leaving your phone in the car or in direct sunlight for long periods of time. And always use an original Samsung charging adapter and cable. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.